Hello boys and girls, welcome to Spanish class. Today we're going to learn how to make a mini piñata out of a paper cup, okay? But before that I want to show you a real piñata. The children in Mexico and other parts of South America celebrate their birthday. You may have heard of this before, piñata, right? This is a big sombrero piñata, but we are going to make our own mini piñata, okay? So let's start. I'm going to show you all the things that we need to make our mini piñatas. We have tissue paper, we have ribbons, glue, we're going to use a paper cup, we have some ribbon, and we have some confettis, and of course the piñatas always have candy, tape, and scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our tissue. I already cut some paper 2.5 by 7 inches long, and we are going to get our tissue paper. We're going to fold it in half. Then we're going to get a piece of tape. I'm stuck. And we're going to tape it onto the table, like so. Then we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut them. That's not good. We're going to tissue paper and we're going to fold it in half, like so. Then we're going to get a piece of tape and we're going to glue it onto the table or surface. Then you're going to get some scissors and you're going to cut some slits. Okay, so you're going to glue it onto the table right here, and you can have cut different color papers. I have like 6 different color papers for my piñata, and let's start making how to make a mini piñata. First we're going to start our paper cup, right? A paper cup, and then we are going to cut a hole right here in the bottom of the cup to thread our ribbons. Okay, so with a scissor or help from your parents or an adult, you can put a little cut in your cup. And we can get our ribbons. I think I'm going to put glue. And you're going to put it in the slit, both sides. It's almost like sewing. And then you're going to get inside, you're going to pull it out, and you're going to make a knot. So it won't split, so it won't, then you're going to take a knot to prevent the ribbon from slipping out. Okay, like that. Now, the fun part is we're going to fill our cup with the candies. Okay. Okay. And we're going to put some confetti inside. You can cut different color paper for confettis, or I have this Easter grass. You can use that for confetti, and you're going to put it inside the cup. And then you're going to get a large piece of paper and you're going to cover the cup. Oh, where's my one? You're going to get it. You're going to cut a piece of tissue paper. You're going to cover your cup, and you're going to get a rubber band, and you're going to put the rubber band over the paper, like so. Okay. You're going to attach the rubber band around the cup. Now I can start working on my cup. You're going to tape the paper around the cup. Like so. So for the fun part, we'll pull the strings out and the goodies will come out, falling out. Ready? Alright, boys and girls, I hope you have fun today making my piñata, and I hope you make it at home too.